Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to hide uploads on Facebook on mobile, whether you're using an iPhone or Android device. Once in Facebook, you're going to tap on Profile. It's at the bottom of the page. Once you have selected Profile, you're going to be led to your profile page, and from here you can simply scroll down and you can select the post that you would like to hide. For example, this one right here. And in line with your name, you're going to tap on the three dots in the right hand corner. Then you're going to select Edit Privacy. After selecting Edit Privacy, you will see the option Who Can See Your Posts, and you would simply select Only Me, and that's how to private or how to hide your uploads on Facebook. Or if you would like a specific friend to see it, you can select Specific Friends. It's the second option from the bottom, and you can choose the specific friend. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on Done in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.